Hello everyone, I'm Lily and welcome to Lily in the Kitchen. Today we'll be making cumin lamb. Let's take a look at the ingredients we'll need today. First off, lamb. I'm using lamb shoulder, but you can also use lamb legs. We're also going to need cilantro, half an onion, and cumin. We're using whole cumins here because we are grinding our own cumin. It's more flavorful this way. We'll also use pepper flakes, but if you don't like flavor, you can decrease the amount added. Lastly, we'll need a little bit of sugar, salt, and vegetable oil. Let's make the cumin first. It's best to use a cast iron pan, but if you don't have one, other pans work as well. Preheat the pan and add it in cumin. We're not putting in any oil. Use medium heat to cook the cumin until they become fragrant. And use a stone grinder to grind up the cumin. If you don't have a stone grinder, you can also put the cumin into a Ziploc bag and use a rolling pin to break them apart. The end product should look like this. There should be small chunks, a little more coarse than powder. It's best to cut the lamb partially frozen so that you can cut it thinner. Prepare several sheets of paper towel and place the lamb on them after cutting. This way it will absorb the blood water from the lamb. Slice the onions and cilantro. Preheat the pan on high heat. Pour in about a tablespoon oil. Put in the lamb and stir fry. Let lamb cook about 80% done quickly. Then remove the lamb from the pan and wait use. Preheat the pan again and pour in about half tablespoon oil. Put in the onion and fry. We'll also put in the red pepper flakes at the same time. When the onions are half transparent, put in the cilantro as well. And after stir evenly, put back the lamb. And then put in the cumin we grinded earlier, sugar, and salt to taste. After stirring evenly, the dish is now done. Alright, after all this work in the afternoon sun, a little cold beer served with cumin lamb is surely delicious. I'm going to start eating now. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Please subscribe my channel if you like my content. Thank you.